Grocery haul ideas for frugal people. Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. If you enjoy grocery shopping but are having a hard time keeping up with your budget, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to share with you some grocery haul ideas that will surely help frugal people like you. According to the most recent purchasing statistics, Americans spend an average of $5,174 per year, or nearly $431 per month, on groceries alone. This expense has even increased due to the coronavirus pandemic. Because of the outbreak, the prices of food basics such as beef and eggs have risen at a very quick rate. Of course, how much you spend on groceries is determined by where you shop, what you purchase, and the number of people in your home. But no matter how much you spend, there are easy steps you can take to save money, such as utilizing the proper form of payment or clipping coupons. Here are some grocery haul ideas that you can try to save money. Never go shopping on Sunday afternoons. Sundays are one of the busiest periods in grocery stores, with consumers making their way to and from church, people getting ready for the big game, and procrastinators hitting the market before the weekend is gone. It's never enjoyable to fight the crowds, suffer long lines, and have to peruse picked over fruit bins and sales racks during peak hours. Off hours are often in the early morning, late at night, and throughout the week. Always go shopping with a list. It's easy to imagine you'll remember everything you need when browsing the store, but there's likely to be something you forget in the midst of the chaos. Before you go, check through your pantry and make sure you have food and ingredients like olive oil, pasta, and other necessities that you might not buy on a weekly basis. Try your best to make sure you have a good list of everything you might need. Make a list of supper options so you know what to buy and save yourself from having to figure out what to cook on the fly after work. Making a list ahead of time allows you to move more quickly through the store. If you organize your list by product category, it will be much easier to pick everything up as you make your way down the aisles. Never shop when you're hungry. In addition to finding it difficult to focus, being hungry when grocery shopping may result in an increase in your expenditure. A previous study has demonstrated that shopping for food on an empty stomach is a costly risk. Hungry consumers are more likely to buy unnecessary things or fill their baskets with unhealthy snacks. Instead, shop after meals or bring a nutritious snack with you to enjoy while you shop. Bring your own bags. Bringing your own reusable totes is beneficial for the environment. Some establishments will even give you a discount if you carry a reusable bag into the store. Always get your meat and dairy last. When planning a longer shopping excursion, think about what things might lose their cool. When shopping for a long period of time, start in the fruit section and end in the dairy or meat sections, as those items might spoil if kept in a non-chilled environment for too long. Don't just buy anything because it's on sale. It's difficult not to pick up an item that has a brightly colored sale sticker on it, but you should always look at other things and pricing. Just because something is on sale doesn't imply it's the best deal. Examine shelves and compare prices. Check out store brand items as well, as they are frequently the cheapest alternative. Take perishable items from the back of the shelf at all times. Stockers work on a first-in, first-out basis, and so should you. They keep new inventory behind old stuff. Many things such as packaged food and frozen food might have very far away expiration dates. However, for dairy, produce, eggs, and other fresh things, it's worth going to the back to get the item with the most distant expiration date. Sign up for loyalty cards and discount programs. It's impossible to predict what deals or discounts your local grocery store will provide to customers. It might be possible that your store offers special discounts to certain groups such as seniors and students. Inquire about a discount card or a store membership program, as they can provide additional savings and special promotions. Store discount cards are frequently offered for free or may provide further discounts on gas and prescription drugs. Don't go grocery shopping in the middle of the day. If you want to buy the freshest fruits and vegetables, plan your shopping trip around delivery times. Produce shipments frequently arrive at local grocers as the store opens in the morning or later in the evening. So, if you want the freshest produce or a bigger selection, find out when your store's shipments come and shop at those times. When you do buy produce, don't overdo it. It's easy to get carried away at the store, but remember how long fresh produce lasts, and only buy what you'll use. Don't go shopping without first checking the sale ads. If you don't have time to clip coupons, a quick glance at the sale advertising is a clever method to save money. Compare costs at nearby retailers and look for possible discounts on things you know you'll be purchasing. Stock up if a product you often buy is on sale. Many common items, including essentials like milk, can be frozen. Many grocery stores offer price matching with competitors, which can save you money without requiring you to visit various stores. Understand when to use the self-checkout. When you merely have a few items or can't face the thought of making small talk, the self-check option is ideal. Understand when to avoid this option though. If you have a full cart, avoid the self-checkout lane. It will take twice as long to scan and bag everything. Opt out if you have anything that requires identification, such as alcohol or some OTC drugs. If you have coupons, skip the self-checkout as well. Many establishments need personnel to sign off on them digitally. Always assist the bagger. Do your best to arrange items in the order you want them to be bagged. This will greatly assist your bagger. Begin with heavier things such as cans and jars, then work your way down to smaller, softer, or breakable items such as fresh produce and eggs. This will preserve fragile objects during the drive home and save time while unpacking them. Now that you know some of the helpful grocery haul ideas that will help you save money, here are some tips on how to efficiently store and use your precious groceries. Freeze food scraps for stock. Instead of discarding the onion, carrot, and celery ends, place them in a freezer bag with mushroom stems, stray garlic cloves, and herb stems. When the bag is full, use it to produce a tasty broth or stock from things that would otherwise go to waste. Keep butter on the counter. Although most Americans keep butter in the refrigerator, many other countries keep butter on the counter. Because room temperature butter is simpler to spread over toast, less might be used in total, saving more. Just be careful to utilize it within a few days and preserve it correctly. For example, in a French butter bell. Freeze leftovers for future meals. It may be tempting to toss away the one remaining portion of casserole after eating it for several meals in a row, but that's money wasted. Freeze leftovers for later, when the same boring meal will create a wonderful lunch. Keep oil in small jars. Instead of storing cooking oil in the huge container it comes in, try to use a tiny bottle for each type that can be refilled. To help extend shelf life, keep bigger bottles of oil in a cool, dark spot away from the heat of the kitchen. Spices should be kept away from direct sunlight and heat. Heat and sunlight cause spices to lose flavor and take up stale flavors. If you use a spice rack, keep it away from the heat of the stove and out of direct sunlight. Even a refrigerator is preferable to a hot, sunny countertop. Know which fruits to refrigerate or store on the counter. Certain fruits keep better in the refrigerator, while others stay better at room temperature. Citrus, tomatoes, and avocados, for example, should be kept at room temperature, but cucumbers, peppers, and carrots should be kept in the refrigerator. Apples and pears, for example, can withstand either. Learning the exquisite art of frugality is one of the nicest gifts you can give yourself. Starting with food is a great way to begin. Learning to live while spending less money will improve your life. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.